celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar on 2nd October 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in the UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience or satyagraha. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon non-violence. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He asked the Indians to not serve the British and fight for their freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggle that India is a free for today. During his struggle, Gandhiji has to go to jail several times. Also, he started Dandi March or Sat Satyagraha in 1930 and walked for 400 kilometers. Quit India was called the Britishers to leave India to go. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Harshi Jain from class 5th A and I am here to give a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. The day signifies the birthday of our father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a freedom fighter. He sacrificed his whole life for our country's independence. He led out various movements to drive out the British from India. Some of his famous movements are Satyagraha, Dandi March and Quit India movement. Gandhiji was a simple, honest and truth-loving man. His 3 monkeys tell us not to speak bad, not to hear bad and not to see bad. We all Indians lovingly call him Bapu. He gave us 2 important lessons of our life, that are Satya and Ahimsa. We should take inspiration from his life and always speak truth in our life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Gandhi Jayanti. He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence, no gun, but got the job well done. He walked several miles to awaken the suppressed smiles. He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. Tolerance and the power he offered like the shower. He gave the only most, but never asked for any cost. He fought until the finished and fulfilled the countryman's wish. He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. He was undying inspiration, being the father of our nation. Let's preserve what he have gave to be wise and the brave. He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence, no gun, but got the job well done. He walked the several miles to awaken the suppressed smiles. He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Kati from 6C and today on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I am going to say a few words about Gandhiji. Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October 1869. Gandhiji brought the mighty British Empire to its knees. It is not because of the non-cooperation movement or the Dandi March. It is true, of course, that these movements along with the Quit India movement brought the British government to its knees. They were afraid of making a martyr was of him and thus adding to his popularity. This was no mean achievement for a man described by Winston Churchill as a half-naked fakir. Gandhiji's idea of non-violent resistance against the British rule appealed the conscience of the Indian society groaning under the unjust rule of British since the Battle of Plassey in 1757. When Gandhiji put Satyagraha into action for the first time in South Africa in 1960 and became a success there, it didn't take much time to recognize the hail of the arrival of a great leader. It is stupid to question the courage of this man who perhaps might even have achieved the impossible task of unifying India and Pakistan again and had not been shot dead by a fanatic called Nathuram Godse on January 30, 1948. Thank you.
Political atheist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Born and raised in a Hindu family in coastal Gujarat, West India, Gandhi trained in law at the Inner Temple, London and was called to the bar at age 22 in June 1891. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to practice a successful law, he moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent the Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to stay for 21 years. It was in South Africa that Gandhi raised a family and first employed non-violent resistance in a campaign for civil rights. In 1950, aged 45, he returned to India. He set about organizing peasants, farmers and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination. Assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. The same year, Gandhi adopted the Indian loincloth or short dhoti and in the winter a shawl, both woven with yarn, hand spun on a traditional Indian spinning wheel called charkha as a mark of identification with India's rural poor. Bringing anti-colonial nationalism to the common Indians, Gandhi led them to challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March in 1930 and later in calling for the British to quit India in 1942. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Ria Gilbile and I am studying in class 8th and today I am going to tell you some information about Gandhi Jayanti. It's with great pride and happiness I stand here today in front of you to say a few words on Mahatma Gandhi. On 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year. On this day, the greatest leader Mahatma Gandhi was born. He was a unique person. He was a man with unbelievably great personality. His philosophy and his teachings of non-violence led the India to have freedom. Hence, this day is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi's teaching says that non-violence is mightier than any of the mightiest weapon of destruction. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of nation because of his work that freed India from colonial rule of British. His teachings are yet in the blood of every Indian. Mahatma Gandhi was a very important leader. He was the member of Satyagraha movement as well as non-cooperation movement. Mahatma Gandhi's efforts in 1940 Indian Act a Relief Act was also passed on. In 1942, he was also started with the Quit India movement. He also led the historic Dandi March. It's his efforts that British leave India and India freed up in August 1947. I would like to say that we should learn something from life of Mahatma Gandhi and try to keep our nation great as envisaged by him. Thank you.
An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. This is a famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu. A very good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. Today on 2nd October, on account of Gandhi Jayanti, like each year, we are here to pay him tribute and homage to our father of nation. This day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence, as Bapu followed the path of Ahimsa. Born in Porbandar, Gujarat, he was lawyer by profession. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. He never accepted British culture and rule. He struggled a lot and played the most important role in making India free from British rule. Khadi movement, non-corporation movement and Quit India movement were some of the most effective movements under his leadership of Bapu that led to our independence in 1947. On 30th January 1948, his simple yet magnificent life came to an end when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. He may no longer be with us, but the opening quote says it all. All his teaching will always inspire us. So let us contribute toward the growth and development of our country to take his legacy forward. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रिया तापसी टाइम मेमोरियल स्कूल से। आज गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर मैं गांधी जी की प्रेरणादायी और संघर्षमय जीवन की गाथा प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। जिन्होंने बिना शस्त्र उठाए विश्व की सबसे बड़ी ताकत को झुकने पर मजबूर कर दिया और सदियों से दास्ता की जंजीर पे जकड़े देश को आजाद कर दिया। गांधी जी की बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही है हमारे स्वतंत्रता के लिए। गांधी जी ने कई आंदोलन लड़े, जिसमें से उनका पहला आंदोलन था चंपारण सत्याग्रह। उसके बाद उनका दूसरा आंदोलन अंग्रेजों के द्वारा लगान वसूले जाने पर अहिंसक विरोध था। उसके बाद उन्होंने असहयोग आंदोलन और दांडी मार्च जैसे कई आंदोलन लड़े हमारे देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए। भारतीय लोगों को स्वदेशी चीजें इस्तेमाल करने के लिए प्रेरित किया, विदेशी कपड़ों की होली जलाई। इन्होंने लोगों को ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ कार्य करने के लिए भी प्रेरित किया। हमें जीवन में सफलता हासिल करने के लिए गांधी जी की दी गई कुछ सीख मैं आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए और हमें हमेशा जीवन में प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। लक्ष्य का रास्ता लक्ष्य जितना ही सुंदर होता है। शांति आपको अपने मन से मिलती है, बाहरी वातावरण से नहीं। माफ करना मजबूत लोगों की निशानी है, कमजोर लोगों की नहीं। अगर हम बदलना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें खुद को बदलना चाहिए। अगर हम इन सीखों पे चलेंगे तो हमें सफलता हासिल करने से कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता। अभी मैं आपके सामने गांधी जी के जीवन पर आधारित कुछ रोचक तथ्य प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। अमेरिका टाइम मैगजीन ने 1930 में गांधी जी को मैन ऑफ द ईयर का पुरस्कार दिया था। महात्मा गांधी जी ने अपने पूरे जीवन काल में एक बार भी हवाई जहाज से यात्रा नहीं की। सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी ने महात्मा गांधी को पहली बार राष्ट्रपिता की उपाधि दी थी। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने भी सबसे पहले महात्मा गांधी जी को महात्मा की उपाधि दी। इनके अनेक अधिक बलिदान से ही हमारे मातृभूमि को आजादी मिल सकी। आज भी हम सबके दिलों में महात्मा गांधी जी सत्य और अहिंसा के रूप में जिंदा है। सच्चाई की राह पर ज्ञान का दीप जलाया था। सच्चाई की राह पर ज्ञान का दीप जलाया था। सत्य अहिंसा को अपनाकर देश को आजाद किया। लक्ष्य हमेशा ऊंचे रखो, सत्य की राह पर चले चलो, मंजिल तुमको मिल जाएगी, हर बाधा से लड़े चलो। जाति धर्म का भेद कर सबको गले से लगाया था। प्रेम भाव से रहने का संदेश बापू ने ही सिखाया था। विनम्र भरे स्वभाव से कितने आंदोलन किए, देश की स्वतंत्रता के खातिर खुद की जिंदगी जीना भूल रहे थे। ऐसी महान व्यक्ति को हम सब देशवासियों की तरफ से कोटि कोटि